How to reset your Roblox account PIN code. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna guide you that how you can reset your Roblox account PIN code. So let's dive in. If you open your Roblox and then it's going to just ask you for your PIN and you have forgotten it, just go back and open any browser. I'm opening Safari and here you have to search for roblox.com/support and click go. Once you click this, it's going to load this page. And in this page, you have to just put in your username, that's optional, and then your email address, and then you have to confirm the email address, and here you have to select the issue details. Let's go with iPhone over here. You can see I have this problem on my iPhone. Or you can also choose any option over here. And here you have to choose account hacked or can't log in. And then you have to come to this section and here you have to choose account PIN. And now in the description box you have to type, I have forgotten my PIN, please help me reset it. Once you type this, hit submit. After you click done over here, you have to just click submit over here. Just put in the details over here and then hit submit, and then Roblox is going to contact you in 2 days and it's going to help you fix your issue and just reset your PIN. And that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.